Hello beautiful souls. I want to share a mini album I created in Betty Boop theme. I have made this mini album quite some time ago. I just didn't finish the cover, and I finally got around to finishing the cover. This is for my daughter. These are the colors that she likes, and this right here I had it custom ordered for my daughter. She loves Betty Boop, so I did the I asked for the Betty Boop theme. This came from MC Beaders here on YouTube. Caroline was kind enough to do a custom order for me. I met her in my first swap with Tamika from Scrap the World, and she does a lot of purse charms. You know, she does necklaces, she does a lot of beadwork, and she showed a custom order that she did for one of her customers, and I liked it a lot, you know, because it reminded me of what my daughter likes. So I asked her to make her one for me. So you guys check her out, because she does really great charms and beadwork. This is what it looks like. She has this Betty Boop here and this Betty Boop down here. And she does all this beading herself. That's a lot of work. I know, because I do charms too, but I don't do this much beading. So you guys check her out. Her channel again is MC Beaders. She has a partner. Her name is Marianne, and she does beautiful work too. So this is the mini album I created for my daughter. I layered some lace here, and I had these extra pieces of laces laying around in my stash, and I just had enough for 2 rows, so it's only here in the front. And then on the side there's a little Betty Boop. She's raised on chipboard, and all the pages here in the front and in the back on the sides, they're all Mod Podged. And this is the back. This is magnetized. I have a mold that I used to make this frame, and I used air dry clay for this frame. This slides out. This is stuck. It's glued, not stuck. It's glued on acetate. So she can put a photo behind here and then slide it back in. So this is what it looks like in here. There's a space there, so that slides back in, and this is part of the closure. It has magnets here and magnets here. So this is what the inside looks like. This opens up this way and that way and this way and that way. This paper, I forgot to mention that it's from Knitwit. I believe is Ooh La La, if I'm not mistaken, is Knitwit Collections. And there's a little boo-boo here, but that's okay. That's where this paper line is. This is not. I'm not sure if this was. But some of these images I got free by Googling, but I know these for sure are Knitwit. Nope. This goes in. Nope. This goes this way. This goes that way. This goes like that. Or is it this way? I forget. Anyway, there it is. Okay. And this is also from Knitwit. This is from Knitwit Collection. And this is a pocket here, and this is a 3-dimensional bow that I created, and these are some flowers that I fussy cut. And I you know, sprinkled some glitter. I put some glue and then I sprinkled some glitter there. And all of the there's only 4 pages here. They all have matte. So you can put pictures on both sides, and they're all the same, so I'm not going to take them all out. And they do have lace on all the edges. And these images I got free online, and I just fussy cut them. This is a knitwit. This is part of the knitwit collection. And she can slide a photo here. She can slide a photo under here, under here. I know there's quite a bit of glare, huh? And this also opens up this way. Oh, okay. This is not part of the paper collection. I know this is, for sure. And it's magnetized. She can put a photo behind here and behind here. This is a pocket with 2 journaling cards. This one actually opens. She can put a photo or journal. It's up to her. This opens this way. There's another pocket here. I think this Betty Boop here is my favorite. She could also slide a pocket under here and under here. She can slide a pocket. I meant a picture under here and under here. This also opens this way. This is the last page. She can slide a photo under there. This opens this way and that way. This is also part of the Knitwit paper collection, this butterfly. I use some die cuts here, the die. And this is just like the front. And it closes back. My daughter already seen it. I showed it to her yesterday. And I told her she couldn't take it until I do a video. So, but she really, really loved it. She loves everything her mommy makes. Anyway, even if it's not her style, she loves it anyway. Thank you for stopping by. All is well. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.